All right, first car of the day, 2010 Camaro 3.6 liter. Customer states hard to start, slow crank. Overdue on oil change by 10,000 miles. I wouldn't really consider that a hard or slow start, but the top end of the engine does sound pretty bad. Let's see if it gets any worse here. So something I wanted to point out, it's been running for about 3 minutes now, and the valve train chatter has not quieted down at all. That really clacky noise. I noticed here at the exhaust, if you listen, you can almost hear the valve, that chatter in the exhaust. So we got the scanner hooked up. It's got engine misfire, cylinder 1, cylinder 2, oil pressure switch. It's got kind of sporadic oil pressure misfires. I'm going to dig a little more into it before I might pull one of the valve covers off and see if we have damage on the cam or lifters. All right, pulled the valve cover off, checked some stuff. Looking at the cam lobes, making sure they're not like really badly scored or ate up. Got back here and I was just kind of wiggling down in here, and then I just came across cam cap. What in the world happened here? So that one's broke. I'm guessing maybe jump time and valve smacked piston, or maybe, I don't think anybody's ever been in this engine. That one's loose. These are hand tight. This one hand tight. Very weird. I don't know what happened here, but 220,000 miles on this. It's probably just going to get an engine put in it. That's probably what they're going to want to do, because who knows what kind of damage this did. Well, figured out what the customer wants to do.